This is Julian.
Happy birthday, Lian! Pretty sure na-surprise ka na nila. And I'm really happy to hear na you're with your friends, loved ones, colleagues. Wishing you all the best in your life, in your career. Looking forward to hearing more music from you. And ingat ka palagi.
Hi Lian! Happy birthday! I hope you're having a great time today. And I wish na sana in the future mas marami pa kaming kanta na marinig mula sa'yo. And I hope nothing but the best in your career, lalo na sa iyong pag-pursue sa iyong music, passion sa music. Again, happy birthday!
Hi Kuya Lian, happy birthday. I hope you're enjoying your day and I hope you're surprised. I'm so happy to see you do what you love and I see how passionate you are with music, so I hope you get inspired always, and I'm also inspired by you. I will always support you no matter what. So yeah, I know a lot of opportunities will still knock on your doors in the coming years, so I can't wait to see you thrive more in music. So yeah, praying for your health, praying for your relationships and your work. God bless you and see you sa gigs. Bye-bye!
Hi Lian, Pao here. Happy birthday! So kahit twice pa lang tayo nagkakasama or nagkakaband sa gig ni Janine, I can say na you're a talented guy. I'm supporting your music and ang ganda ng boses mo. So keep making music, keep inspiring people. So you're doing a great job. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lian!
Hi Lian, happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa pagkakaibigan sa loob man at sa labas ng office, sa shared love sa music ni Jason Mraz, at of course, sa pag-share din ng iyong mga awitin. Hiling ko sa'yo na sana mas malawak pa umabot ng iyong mga kanta dahil alam ko na dito mo din talaga na-express kung sino ang tunay na ikaw. Wishing you more birthdays to come, more success, at happy birthday again.
Happy birthday, Lian!
Hi Lian, happy birthday, and I hope you have more birthdays to come and more music in the future. Alam naman namin na very inspiring yung music na ginagawa mo, and alam namin kung gaano ka passionate sa craft mo, and we're here to support you all the way, and happy kami na finally nagkaroon ka na ng courage to take yung musical path, and I hope and I know na you will succeed. So ayun, if you ever you need anything or need mo ng kausap or kasama, I'm just one tap away. And happy birthday, and ayun, see you soon since I'm in Cotabato right now, and have a great day. Thank you. Happy birthday, Lian.
Wala nyo, asan ako? CR, di ba? Para magawa lang tong video na to. Anyway, Lian, happy birthday. And I just want to say thank you for being a good friend. And I'm so proud and happy that you pursue your singing career. I think medyo malayo na yung narating mo. And I believe, with your passion and dedication and whatever, English pa talaga. Ayun, so I'm so happy kasi naalala ko before na you mentioned na parang ayaw mo nang i-pursue because wala kang viewers, but I told you na the number of viewers is just one of many indicators, but it doesn't like erase or invalidate the fact that you are a good singer. I hope gagawin mo siya because you are happy and that you love doing it, right? And yung pera naman, and also the opportunities and the followers, the viewers, susunod siya. Ang halaga is you are happy sa ginagawa mo. I wish you all the best in life. Stay healthy and stay handsome. Bye!
Gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday yung pinakapupoging kabatch ko sa team of Gold. Well, dalawa na lang pala tayo, no? Anyway, I'm wishing you all the best. Enjoy your day. Dito lang kami. And huwag mo may kakalimutan, front row tickets sa concert mo.
happy birthday. I just want to keep this message short and sweet. Congratulations on your success both in your professional and of course your singing career. My only wish for you is sana mas lumami pa yung songs na ma-record mo at mapakinggan namin sa Spotify. Hopefully album na soon, and sana magkaroon ka na rin ng sarili mong concert and more gigs. Enjoy your special day, and andito lang kami lagi ng Team of Pogies, ready to support you in everything that you do. Enjoy your special day, and again, happy birthday.
Hi Lian, happy birthday. I may just be your college colleague, but I want you to know that we're all cheering you on. I witnessed your love for music since college days, and I am happy that you're now pursuing your dreams. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Hi Lian, happy birthday. It's been a while and we haven't talked a lot lately, but I want you to know that I'm really proud of what you've achieved. You've come such a long way and you deserve every bit of it. I'm looking forward to hearing more songs from you in the future. I miss you, bro, and I hope to see you soon. God bless and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Lia. At sana maging successful ka sa trabaho mo, tsaka sa buhay mo. Pati pagkanta mo, sana maging okay. At maging successful ka rin sa gawa mo ng kanta. Alam ko, gusto mo yan at passion mo yan eh. Nung nagkatrabaho pa tayo, lagi ka nagpo-post ng mga ganyan, ng mga kanta mo. So, good luck. Tsaka ayun, yun lang. Good luck. Happy birthday.
Hello, Lian. Happy birthday. Kamusta? Mukha kang masaya lately, Patuloy mo lang yan. Alam mo yun yung dati mo pang gusto. Happy birthday ulit.
Pre, happy birthday. Long time no see. Medyo din nakapagkita-kita eh. Yun lang. Wish ko lang more birthdays to come. Saka gig soon. Kahit yung acoustic lang. Tayo nila Louie. Saka dadala ko saxophone.
Hi Lian, happy birthday and I wish you all the best. Lalo na ngayon na alam kong you're trying to pursue a career in music. Lagi mo lang tatandaan na what matters most is yung journey, yung experience, yung late nights, the people you get to do it with who shares the same passion. Walang makakatumbas na. Yun lang. Happy birthday, brother. God bless.
Happy birthday, Ian. And thank you for letting the world hear our music. Yung mga kanta na ginawa natin before during our college days. And I know that we have lived our lives. Mas marami na tayong experiences. May it be magkasama or hindi. Mas marami na tayong kwentong pwedeng i-share sa lahat. And with that, sana continue mo lang na maging blessed ka sa lahat ng mga nakapaligid sa'yo. Okay? Alam mo na yun. Okay? Happy birthday. And, tugtog tayo soon. Okay? And, last, i-release mo na yan. Okay? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Lian! Stay super pogi and super bait.
Stay happy and talented. Stay passionate and super supportive.
We love you! See you soon! Bye!
Happy birthday, Lian!
Hi Lian, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi and always choose to be happy. God bless.
Lian, ako si Carlton Bond and I'd like to greet you a happy birthday. Sana masarap lahat ng kakainin mo sa birthday mo and sana lahat ng mga regalo na makukuha mo, magugustuhan mo. And also, sana mag-enjoy ka overall sa birthday mo and to more birthdays to come para sa'yo. So yun, hope to see you soon.
Hi Lian, happy birthday. Matuson here. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Lian.
Hi Lian, this is Eliza Maturan. Gusto lang sana tabatiin ng happy birthday. See you soon at ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lian! We wish you a very happy day today and more blessings and love and peace to come into your life. God bless and we hope to see you soon.
Hi Lian! Happy birthday and congratulations sa mga single releases mo. Keep going. Love you.
Hello Lian, happy birthday sa'yo. I hope you enjoy your day and as another year goes by, I hope you continue pursuing music, continue supporting and loving music. Kasi diba, ang saya-saya niyang gawin, no? Ayun, maraming salamat din sa pagsuporta. Sobrang natutuwa ako when I see familiar faces in the crowd. And isa ka dun, kayo nila Sheila. So maraming salamat. I hope to see you soon. Pahingi namang lumpia. Joke lang. See you at ingat kayo palagi.
Birthday Lian ha. Kanta lang ng kanta. Tuloy mo lang yan. Lian ha. Salamat.
Lian, happy birthday sa'yo. Is yung version ng tingin and yung mga original songs mo din nakakatawa. Belated happy birthday!